Welcome to my 20-minute challenge. Let's go make it out. Let's go all the way. Coding U, UTF-8. Import JavaFX scene. Control. Import JavaFX scene. Layout. Grid paint. FX controller. Application. Example. Demo. Let's set a controller. Example NFX. ATP. JavaFX. Fix.com/fxml. Oleg Mint. Center. HCAP. 5. VGAP. 5. Style. FA. Padding. 20. Display view. Text view. FX. Ready. Display. Grid pane. Column. Span. 4. Editable. False. Style. FX. Font. Size. 18px. FX only. Mint. Center. Right. The first row. Button. Text. 7. On action. Handle. Number. Grid pane. Row. Index. 1. Grid pane. Column. Index. 0. Body. Text. 8. On action. Handle. Number. Grid pane. Row. Index 1. Grid pane. Column. Index 1. Body. Text. 9. On action. Handle. Number. Grid pane. Row. Index 1. Grid pane. Column. Index 2. Button text. On action. Handle. Operator. Grid pane. Row. Index 1. Grid pane. Column. Index 3. Let's go on. I'm starting the second row. Button text 4. On action. Handle. Number. Grid pane. Row. Index 2. Grid pane. Column. Index 0. Button text 5. On action. Handle. Number. Grid pane. Row. Index 2. Grid pane. Column. Index 1. Button text 6. On action. Handle. Number. Grid pane. Row. Index 2. Grid pane. Column. Index 2. Going all the way. But see you from part 2. Continue from left button text on action handle operator read pane row index 2 read pane column index 3 starting the third row button text 1 on action handle number read pane row index 3 read pane column index 0 button text 2 on action handle number grade pane row index 3 grade pane column index 1 button text 3 on action handle number grade pane row index 3 grade pane column index 2 starting off with a button text on action and the operator grade pane row index 3 grade pane column index 3 button text 0 on action handle number grade pane row index 4 grade pane column index 0 button text C on action handle clear grade pane row index 4 grade pane column index 0 button text equal on action handle equals grade pane row index 4 grade pane column index 2 1 button text asterisk on action handle operator grade pane row index 4 grade pane column index 3. Let's move on. Okay. For example, import Java fxml import Java fx scene control text field public class lesson 8 controller fxml private text field display private double num1 0 private string operator private boolean start new number true. I wish I'm going to do it all. For fxmls if beginning to work on it private void handle number our fx event action event continue on part 3. string value, JavaFX scene control button, event, get store, get text, if start new number, display set text value, start new number, false, else, display set text, display get text plus value. XML private void handle operator JavaFX event action event string value JavaFX scene control button event get source get text if display get text is empty num1 double force double display get text operator value start new number true private void handle equals if operator is empty display get text is empty return double num2 double parse double display get text text double result 0 switch operator case plus result equal num1 plus num2 case minus result num1 minus num2 case answering times result num1 times num2 case result num2 is 0 num1 num2 equal 0 going the way display set text string value of result operator star are in this way for part 4 new number true. XML. Private void handle clear. Display clear. Operator num1 equals 0. Start new number equal true. Ooh. There. String. I'm managing to correct it. Sorry, the application. Import JavaFX application. Import JavaFX XML loader. Import JavaFX scene. Import JavaFX stage. Who is correct? Yeah. Extends application. Override public void start state primary state catch let's show how it works. Loader new XML loader get class get resource lesson 8 XML scene new scene loader load primary state set tile the simplest calculator ever showing primary state scene primary state show exception reset a public static void main string args launch args. Let's do it. Let's see how it works. Here we go. Right? Why more robots logging? There are some errors. Illegal. The exception. Doing it more robot. Doing all the way. But so for now, bye bye. And first, hi. I'm beginning to record the second consecutive recording. Let's start the package comic sample demo. This is FXML layout. I'm doing again. The second recording. This is XML layout with design CPU or with great paint. XML version 1.0 encoding UTF-8 import or Java FX scene control import Java FX scene layout grid paint FX controller app.com example demo lesson e controller XML NS FX HTTP javafx.com/fxml or ligament center HGAP 5 VGAP 5 style FX padding 20. I'm making it up. Text field FX ID display grid paint column span 4 editable false style FX font size 18px FX alignment center right. The first row button text 7 on action and handle number grid paint row index 1 grid paint column index 0 button text 8 on action handle number grid paint row index 1 grid paint column index 1 button text 9 on action handle number grid paint row index 1 grid paint column index 2 button text slash on action handle number grid paint row index 1. You mean operator grid paint column index 3 button text for on action handle number grid paint row index 2 grid paint column index 0 button text 5 on action handle number grid paint row index 2 grid paint column index 1 button text 6 on action handle number grid paint row index 2 grid paint column index 2 button text is the asterisk. Let's save that for part 2.